What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, as you guys can probably see by the title, I'm going to be unboxing my Future Classic club poster that arrived today in the mail. I'm super excited to show you guys this and add this to the garage collection and put it on the wall. It's actually going to go right here where the Dolphins banner is. I've been waiting for it for a couple of weeks now, so I'm super excited to finally have it in. I actually bought this club poster when I got these neon lights right here. So, I mean, these are the two things that I really wanted to get for the garage, just to update it, clean it up a little bit, and then it'll be something that I look at every day while I'm working. So let me show you guys what they sent out. Let's unbox it for you guys. If this is your first time, welcome. I invite you to hit that like button, that subscribe button, and stay tuned for future car content. Now let's get into this video. Kona's always part of the vlog. She knows it. She's the star. So this is what Future Classic sent out. This thing is huge. As you guys can see here, I have a little pull-out table, and this thing takes up more than half of it, and it is gigantic. So I opted for the biggest club poster that they sell. Here's their card: Future Classic Motor Club. It says Motorsport and Design Studio, futureclassic.us. And they also sent out this cool design and sticker if I want to put it maybe on my laptop or something. But essentially what they do is, if your car is an individual color or is unique, they will make one-off stickers for you guys that'll say one of whatever. And they also have a bunch of other customized things that you can either put on your car, your dash, or in my case, I'm gonna be putting it up on my garage wall. You can put it up in your office, your man cave, your studio. So what I'm gonna be doing is replacing my Miami Dolphins banner. I'm gonna be moving this over there, I think in between the F80X Freaks and M logo banner. And then this is my work desk. So essentially every day I'm gonna be looking at my club poster, which I'm gonna show you guys very shortly. And it's basically the birth certificate. As Ken, the Daily Driven, said, he actually got this first, and I immediately knew that I wanted one for my garage after I saw his video. I know Kyler at 30 Skirt has one coming too. So yeah, I mean, I got the biggest one that I could because my breaker box is actually behind this flag or banner. So I definitely wanted to make sure it covered the whole thing. But yeah, this thing is definitely gonna cover that. This thing is huge. I don't know if this table is doing it any justice, but this thing is massive. It just showed up today. As always, got the F80 pretty cleaned up yesterday with a quick maintenance wash. We're actually gonna be going out and going to Euro Customs PR today as well to get some content for you guys, and also to get a part that we're going to be installing on the car. So stay tuned for that. But I'll make sure to leave everything Future Classic in the description below. I already took off the tape and gave myself a little sneak peek. I wanted to make sure it arrived from UPS with no damage on it, of course, but I mean, I'll tell you what, Future Classic knows how to package their stuff. It came perfectly fine, and for a poster or printout, they even had a bunch of like backing, so everything was flat, nothing got bent. So super happy with the packaging. And then before I open it, obviously my car isn't an individual color, so I don't have a cool one of whatever paint code, but even with my color being black sapphire metallic paint, I still wanted a club poster because it's so customizable with Future Classic. I opted to get my Instagram and YouTube channel name, and then I also opted for the HRE logo. So yeah, it came out super sick, super badass. And even though, you know, my car's black, I still think the club poster turned out so amazing, and it's fully customizable for whatever car that you guys have or whatever you guys are trying to add. All I had to do was provide them the last 7 of my VIN, and they looked everything up. I think it's gonna include my engine, my paint color, simple stuff like that. Let's go ahead, stop teasing you guys, and unbox this for you. So yeah, you guys can see they taped up all the corners, super secure. In 3, 2, 1. Damn, that is sick. We got F80 Ho, Future Classic. We got the HRE logo with the emblem. I don't know if you guys will be able to tell with the wrapping still on it, but that is carbon fiber on the bottom that I opted for. We got black sapphire metallic with my paint code 475. We got the BMW F80 M3 S55 3.0 bi-turbo. That's so sick. I think this is the last 7 of my VIN. And then this is my production date of my car, which was February 2017. And then we have the Future Classic logo right there. Wow, that is so sick. What do you guys think? I can't wait to take the wrapping off for you guys. I think it's gonna look so sick, especially when I'm working from home and I just look at that every day. It's so clean. Let's go ahead and take this film off now. Bruh. This is so clean. See if I can slide it out with one hand. Oh my gosh. That is beautiful. Lay it out for you guys right here so you guys can see. Yo, that looks insane. Holy shit. Now you guys can really see the details of the poster. We got F80 Ho, YouTube, Instagram, Future Classic, HRE, paint code, Future Classic. This is sick. And in the background, I didn't see it before, it says 17, which is obviously the production date and the year of my car. Kona, what do you think? Freaking badass. That's what she thinks. Yo, this is crazy. And I opted for the biggest one. The material is super nice. It's like not your just regular like poster board, you know, from like Office Depot or anything. It looks and feels like it's high quality material. Can't get over this. This looks so sick. I can't wait to just look at this every day. It just ties in the man cave so well. But yeah, let's go ahead. I'm gonna get some B-roll of this, and then we're going to mock it up where the Dolphins banner is. Probably move that over there, and then yeah, that's gonna go right here. I just wanted to show you guys one more time how incredible it looks. I mean, look at the attention to detail. It feels so premium. It's so high quality. Definitely worth the money. And I can't wait to put this up for you guys. This thing is gonna look absolutely incredible in the man cave. Give you guys the details right there of the carbon fiber weave that I opted for. And we have the tricolor M colors, of course. We have the HRE logo that also matches with the emblem right here. F80 Ho carbon fiber on the bottom. Again, this is fully customizable. You guys can reach out to them and you guys will go back and forth. They'll keep sending you proofs until you guys both agree, of course. So huge shout out to Future Classic. This thing is badass. Alright, without further ado, let's go ahead and mock this poster up where my Dolphins flag used to be, which is right here, which is where the breaker panel is for my house. You already know, the neon sign. And then yeah, we already moved the Dolphins flag over there just for now. I'm not sure if I'm gonna leave it there or not. But yeah, let's go ahead and put this on the wall and show you guys the finished product. Just like that, the Future Classic poster is now up on the wall. Looks absolutely amazing, as you guys can see there. I'll even stand back a little bit so you guys can see. It hangs right over my work desk and my work computer. So every day when I'm working, I'll be looking at this beautiful, beautiful poster, and it goes perfectly, you already know, with the neon sign for the garage. So huge modification for the man cave. If you guys are looking for something like this to add to your walls, for your man cave or your garage, definitely look into the Future Classic club poster. They also have stickers for your car or your engine bay as well. So highly recommend them. I am absolutely in love with this. All right, now we got the neon light and the freaking Future Classic poster right there. They both look incredible in the garage. I am super excited. I know it's just art for my garage, but the man cave is coming together just as I planned when I moved in a couple years ago, so I am super happy about it. Make sure you guys check out Future Classic, but I hope you guys enjoyed this quick one. But don't worry, we're gonna get back into the car videos pretty soon. I should be dropping another video either Friday or maybe next Monday. I'm paying a visit to my friend Euro Customs PR, and we have a couple of goodies going into the interior as well as the exterior, so stay tuned for that. Make sure you guys hit that like button, that subscribe button, comment down below what you guys think. Make sure you guys check it out and get one for your man cave. And yeah, we'll catch you on the next video, guys. Take care. Peace.